Handshakes and fist bumps. Communicating without words. Hello learners. Welcome back to our course on learning English. Today we're going to explore an interesting aspect of communication, nonverbal greetings. We're zooming in on a subtopic called handshakes and fist bumps. These are forms of greeting that you'll often see in informal settings among English speakers. They're a great way to show friendliness and establish a rapport. The handshake is one of the most common nonverbal greetings. It involves two people each extending their right hand, gripping the other's hand, and shaking it briefly up and down. It's often used in both formal and informal settings. Handshakes can convey a lot about a person's character. A firm handshake usually implies confidence, while a weak or limp handshake might suggest lack of enthusiasm or shyness. Here's how you do it. 1. Extend your right hand towards the person you want to greet. 2. Grasp the other person's right hand so that your thumbs lock and your fingers wrap around the side of their hand. 3. Shake your hands up and down 2 to 3 times. 4. Release the grip. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try to practice it with a friend. Moving on to another common informal greeting, the fist bump. This involves two people gently tapping their closed fists together. Fist bumps are seen as more casual and friendly. They are especially common among younger people and close friends. Here's how to do a fist bump. 1. Close your hand into a fist. 2. Extend your closed fist towards the person you want to greet. 3. Lightly tap your knuckles against the other person's knuckles. 4. Pull your hand back. Note: be careful not to bump fists too hard. It should be a friendly gesture, not a painful one. And there we have it, learners. Today we've covered two popular nonverbal greetings in English-speaking cultures, the handshake and the fist bump. Remember, these gestures are not just about tradition, they're also about communicating respect and friendliness. They can help you connect with people and make a positive impression. Don't be afraid to practice and use them in your interactions. Until next time, happy learning!